welcome back to Jen Beauty. My name is Jennifer, and here on my channel we like to talk all things beauty and makeup related. And today I wanted to do a monthly installment that I would like to start for Shop My Stash. And I will be doing this in a Snow White and the Seven Dwarves theme with rolling products in and out. So, kind of like a project pan, except I'm not looking to pan things. I'm just looking to love the stuff I have a little bit more. Let me get my notes that tell me what's what. Okay, in the description box, I will include all of the options in case you would like to play along. And this can apply to a Shop My Stash or it can apply to a project pan. You can do it either way. There are no rules. Make up your own rules. And if you don't like one of my prompts, make your own. Or make up your own rules for the prompts. First, I have Snow White, and each of these products is going to be represented by a character. So I have Snow White, which is something fit for a princess. So something luxurious, girly, royal, whatever you feel a princess embodies. Next, I have the Evil Queen, and this is something black, purple, dark, or evil. Something you feel suits the Evil Queen. Then I have to pick 1 to 2 dwarves. And for Doc, there is something that repairs your skin. For Grumpy, something difficult to work with. For Sleepy, something tired. So a product that is older or well-loved. For Happy, something that brings you joy. For Bashful, a cheek product. For Sneezy, a powder product. And for Dopey, well, his lips are sealed, so pick a lip product. Then I have the Magic Mirror, something new or shiny, and the Huntsman, something that is on your chopping block. So for this for this month, I have picked 5 items. I have, for Snow White, I'll be using the Disney Designer Collection palette from ColourPop called It's a Princess Thing. I think I have used this palette all of 2 times. So I would like to give it a little bit more love. And throughout this Shop My Stash, I'm doing it monthly because I'm not going to use these products exclusively throughout the month, but they will be in a bin next to my vanity where I will try to, at minimum once a week, give them more love. Hopefully more like 2 or 3 times a week. But I don't like being held down to just one palette, so I probably would try to use that palette at least in conjunction with other palettes. There's a lot of shimmers in it, so it even would be a good companion palette. All right, moving on. For Evil Queen, I have this ColourPop Cream Gel eyeliner in the color Charmer, so it's purple, but then also a Wander Beauty eyeliner in black, so a black and a purple. And these I probably will try to stick mostly to using, although sometimes I like a really good brown moment, so. Next, for the Dwarves, I have something that makes me happy, which is this highlighter in the shade Felicity from ColourPop. This is a Super Shock, and it is dark outside, so I don't think I can get you a really great swatch of it, but it's more of a pinky, peachy toned one, which I'm into right now, so I don't think it'll be that hard to use. It's just I've used it maybe once, so I definitely would like to show it some more love. For Dopey, his lips are sealed, so we're picking a lip product. And for that, I have this matte lip in the shade Beast. And this is also from the Disney Designer Collection from ColourPop. So, and it's a Luxe Liquid Lip. So I thought that might be nice to go with the palette and the highlighter. It'd be easier to pair them together. And then for Magic Mirror, I have Ciate London primer. This is something new or shiny, so I went with the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I need to use this up, and I am completely out of my Tarte Quench primer now, so I want to give this another try and see if it kind of replaces that in a way, or if I really need to repurchase the Tarte Quench. And then finally, for something on the chopping block, I have the Tarte H2O gloss. I have 5 of them, and the last few times I've used, well, actually anytime I've used them, it felt like it was too sticky. Like it was not a formula that I loved, and I feel like I need to try each of them out at least one more time. Like, I like the color on this one. This is in the shade Resort Life. It's really nice. And then, like, I'm drawn to this one because, hello, it's my colors. So they're all really pretty, but I don't think I love the formula. And also, I've had them for a minute, so I feel like I do need to show them all some more love. If I'm going to get rid of them, then at least use them 1 or 2 more times before I do toss them. I've used these 2 the most out of the 5, and this other shade is Fiji, and then I also have the shade Pink Sands, which I think is gorgeous. They all have like a nice glittery, shimmery look to them, except for this one. This one just looks like a really basic gloss, and this one is in Salt Life. And then this one is in Out of Office, which I really like that one because I am currently out of office. That is the intro to the Shop My Stash, and I hope to be doing this once a month. I'm going to be organized enough to keep up with it. I know I am. So if you think that you would like to do Shop My Stash or Project Pan Snow White Edition, I am going to make this a community playlist, and you can follow along. There's no limit to how long you do it for or a time period of doing it together. Just, you know, if you're interested, do it. And I look forward to watching other videos that are in the same playlist. There we go. That's the word. In the same playlist. I want to thank you so much for joining me today for this quick intro to the Shop My Stash. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you'll be participating, comment below and tell me what you plan on doing, and let me know that you're going to post a video so I can go subscribe and make sure that I follow along and watch with you. If you would like to see more makeup and beauty content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll have more content coming at you. I hope wherever you are, you have a wonderful and fabulous day. Bye! Hi. Hello. How are you? I'm wearing the same thing that I was wearing in the last video because I am batch filming. My apologies if that bothers you. And in the description box, excuse you, not that, just one palette. That's 2. Like a nice, that one may be done for. We'll see. Mr. Lip Gloss, where'd you go? Found it. I'm fine. We're all good here. Cute, sweet little baby that came to join me while I was filming. He's really mad at me that I'm not in bed right now. Humphrey Bogart. Humphrey. Look at that baby. He knows his name. Yes, you do. Okay, I'm ridiculous. Bye for real this time.